Imagine you are cruising down the highway in your V8 truck, expecting that smooth transition into fuel-saving mode, but instead, the engine stumbles and that service engine soon light starts blinking at you. If you pull the code P3450, your car is telling you there is a performance issue with the cylinder 7 deactivation or intake valve control circuit. This system is designed to turn your big engine into a fuel-sipping 4-cylinder during light loads like highway driving. But when the EECM detects the wrong voltage or resistance in the circuit for cylinder 7, it shuts the whole party down. In some cases, the computer might even disable the fuel injector for that cylinder entirely until you fix the problem, which is why you feel that heavy engine misfire and poor performance. This is a serious one because a constant misfire can actually damage your internal engine components if you ignore it for too long. The causes range from a simple low engine oil level or low oil pressure to a dead deactivation solenoid or even restricted oil passages. You see, these systems rely heavily on clean oil and proper pressure to move the components that deactivate the valves, so if your oil is dirty or low, the whole system fails. Before you start tearing things apart to replace an expensive solenoid, you must check your oil level and condition first. Also, make sure to research any technical service bulletins or TSBs for your specific year and model, because manufacturers often have specific fixes for these cylinder deactivation systems. If the oil is fine, you will need to get in there with a digital multimeter to check the wiring for any breaks, shorts, or corroded pins at the EEMO. A very common mistake people make is replacing the solenoid when the real issue was just insufficient oil pressure or a bad wire. Always ensure your connections are rock solid and your oil is fresh before you go for the big repairs, because a simple oil change might be all you need to get your engine back to full power.